What's up, everybody? Just made it back from Fort Leonard Wood. MP, lead the way. It's been a long 5 months. Went through a lot of crap, but I'm here now, and I survived. So I'm moving to Germany in a couple days. I'll be there for 3 years, and it's a little terrifying, but it's cool. I'll make it. The song is called "Believe." It means a lot to me because before I went in, I went for a whole bunch of competitions like America's Got Talent and The Voice, and I got past the first stage. But then when they called me to go to the next thing, I got so scared I'd give up. I'd freak out and be like, yo, this is not for me. I could fail. I could make a fool out of myself, all these different things, and it would just always keep me from doing it. And I felt the same way in basic, and they pushed me through it. They gave me a reason to believe in myself and give me courage. And I appreciate them, all the drill sergeants, all of them, for what they did. And there was a point in my thing where they forced me to do the national anthem, and I was scared to death. And now I'm thankful every day for what they made me do, and they give me courage. And this song just kind of speaks to that. I mean, it tells me that it believe in myself. So I hope it reaches everybody out there that doesn't believe in themselves. You can do it. Just take the step. Don't give up. All right. Thank you for the support. I love you all. Leave some comments. Tell me how you feel, and let me know what's up. If you're having a life situation, give me an idea, and I'll try to write something to help you through your problems. Thanks for the support. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for spreading the word. All right. The song is called "Believe." So long to the person I used to be. So long to the past and no memory. So long to the things that held me back. So long to the fear. So long to the past. Afraid to move on. No longer will I be afraid to carry on. I'm not looking back, and I'm not afraid. I'm not looking back at what I used to be. I'll keep moving forward. I'll keep charging on. No matter how hard it gets, I will carry on. I'm picking myself up off of this ground. No matter how hard it gets, it won't keep me down. I'll keep on charging, I will be something. These are the days that are so much worth living. There ain't no stopping this faith that I'm giving. These are the days that are so worth living. Listen up, I believe in me. There will never be something stopping me. Watch me as I'm rising up, cause I don't plan on giving up. Listen up, I believe in me. There will never be something stopping me. Watch me as I'm rising up, cause I don't plan on giving up. Too many times I've been afraid. Too many times I fell away. Too many times I've given up, and too many times it's just too much. Tired of looking back. I'm tired of asking why. Tired of being me, and I'm tired of wasting time. Time that I make a stand. It's time that I become the man. Become the man I know I can, cause my life is sitting in my hands. I will believe in me, and I keep on fighting for these dreams that were meant for me. I keep on charging, I will be something. These are the days that are so much worth living. There ain't no stopping this faith that I'm giving. These are the days that are so worth living. Listen up, I believe in me. There will never be something stopping me. Watch me as I'm rising up, cause I don't plan on giving up. Listen up, I believe in me. There will never be something stopping me. Watch me as I'm rising up, cause I don't plan on giving up. These times get hard, don't know what to do. These I keep my head up, I keep on looking up. I'll make it through if I never give up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, listen up and believe in me. There will never be something stopping me. Watch me as I'm rising up, cause I don't plan on giving up. Listen up and believe in me. There will never be something stopping me. Watch me as I'm rising up, cause I don't plan on giving up. Hit me on the comment box, spread the video, let me know what you think. Thanks for the support. Love you all.